Wake up, my sleepy dog. Wake up, my sleepy dog. Open your big funny eyes. Open your big funny eyes. Today is Hygiene Cleaning Day. Today is Hygiene Cleaning Day. First we wash our faces. First we wash our faces. Scrub your nose very gently. Scrub your nose very gently. Look at the bright mirror. Look at the bright mirror. You have a dirty chin. You have a dirty chin. Now grab the small toothbrush. Now grab the small toothbrush. Put on some minty paste. Put on some minty paste. Brush your teeth very well. Brush your teeth very well. Up and down we go. Up and down we go. Please do not swallow it. Please do not swallow it. Your breath is finally sweet. Your breath is finally sweet. Time to wash your paws. Time to wash your paws. Step into the white tub. Step into the white tub. Use the lemon-scented soap. Use the lemon-scented soap. Make some big soap bubbles. Make some big soap bubbles. Put a bubble on nose. Put a bubble on nose. You look like a clown. You look like a clown. Rinse off all the soap. Rinse off all the soap. Shake your body very fast. Shake your body very fast. Oh no, I am wet. Oh no, I am wet. Dry off with soft towel. Dry off with soft towel. Comb your messy golden fur. Comb your messy golden fur. You are a handsome boy. You are a handsome boy. Now we clean my hair. Now we clean my hair. Tie it in a bun. Tie it in a bun. Use a soft cotton wipe. Use a soft cotton wipe. Be careful with your ears. Be careful with your ears. We clip our long nails. We clip our long nails. One click at a time. One click at a time. Do not hide under bed. Do not hide under bed. You are such a brave dog. You are such a brave dog. Wear your cute little bow tie. Wear your cute little bow tie. Spray a little flowery mist. Spray a little flowery mist. We smell like a garden. We smell like a garden. Give me a big hug. Give me a big hug. Keep your body very clean. Keep your body very clean. Stay healthy and stay happy. Stay healthy and stay happy. High five with your paw. High five with your paw. Time for a healthy snack. Time for a healthy snack. Love you, my funny dog. Love you, my funny dog.